guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Travis Scott Air Jordan 6s in the British Khaki. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us with the algorithms, and show some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown at our way. As always, I want to take the time to thank our subscribers, new and old. Thank you. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. Let's get into this review. So today we've got a look at the Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott in the British Khaki colorway, and we got this in a UK size 8. It's a European 42.5 and it's a US size 9. Unfortunately, I was not able to get this in my size. I usually get a UK size 7.5. When it comes to any Air Jordans, apart from the Air Jordan 1, I usually get 7, but that's a story for another day. But we have done the review of the infrared 6s. You can have a little look there. But unfortunately, I was only able to get size 8, so I know that the sizes are gonna be a tiny bit big, so take this with a pinch of salt. Again, Travis Scott has done another collaboration with the Air Jordan. I mean, he is the guy at the moment for when it comes to Nike and their products. He's done it with the Nike SB Dunks, Air Jordan 1, and he's previously done an Air Jordan 6, the olive colorway. Personally, this British Khaki is it's the better colorway in my opinion. Now let's get opening. So it comes with this dust bag, Jumpman logo, Cactus Jack. Put this to one side and get to what we've really come here for. That's the sneakers. Look at this. I mean, whew. I'm gonna mention that it comes with a pair of red laces and brown laces, but the laces that it comes with is so nice as it is, personally. So, let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is a whole rubber unit, and it's in this glow-in-the-dark color. It's greenish yellow, and it's pretty translucent. You can see the Travis Scott, and you can see the Travis Scott smiley. It's not really a smiley, but it is. And you can see the Cactus Jack logo at the top, Jumpman logo in the middle, and we move along onto the midsole. So this midsole unit is comprised of that. You can see the visible air unit, and it's in that red, similar like to the Air Jordan 6 infrared, and you can find it also in the Air Max 90 infrared. You can also see in the midsole the smiley face and the medial side. And I just want to go back onto the air unit. So there is a visible air unit at the back, and forefoot you're not able to see it, but there is an air unit inside. And as we move onto the uppers, we get into these lush materials. Look at the suede that makes the whole sneaker. It's all around, it's beautiful, it's lush, it's that high quality. These sneakers retailed for £210, so if I'm paying £210 for a sneaker, I'm expecting the best materials. And to be fair to Jordan Brand and Travis Scott, it's been delivered here. So it comes in this British Khaki colorway. This is more of a soft brown to me, but I understand what they're going for. British Khaki, I think of the khaki suede that you'll find on the Clarks Desert Boot. It's similar. This is much more lighter, but I understand what they're going with. Now we look into the tongue. So this tongue is very reminiscent of the outsole that we have. It's a glow in the dark as well. It's a rubber, as all Air Jordan 6 tongues are. They've got the two little holes there, and you've got the lace lock with the Travis Scott Cactus Jack logo and the Jumpman. The Jumpman on the laces as well is in this like pinkish red, really nice. And again, I must talk about the quality of these materials. The suede here is beautiful. You got so you won't see it unless it's really close, but there's 3M underneath these perforations, both on the lateral and the medial side, And the most unique point of these Air Jordan 6s are the pouches. So you've got a button pouch on the lateral side, and on the medial side you've got the zip there you go, zips. It's a bit difficult to put on, and again, so you can put whatever you want in there. I'm pretty sure I know what you guys are putting in there. And we move along to the heel. So as always, all Air Jordan 6s, they have this spoiler at the back. Again, it matches the outsole and the tongue. And what's dope is that you got that Nike Air logo right here on the left side, and on the right you got the Cactus Jack. Overall, this sneaker is a must for all you Jordan fans. Anyone who's a sneakerhead, I think this is great to add to the collection. This is, in my opinion, the better colorway of the Air Jordan 6 that Travis Scott has done. The other one is that olive color. I'm not a big fan of that green. I much prefer this. That's because mostly I wear Clark's Wallabies, as I mentioned, that khaki inspired upper material, and I do love Air Jordan 6s. I mean, I've got the infrared 6s myself. We've done a review, check it out. But that's one of my favorites. But I just want to go back onto the coloring of this red. Actually, it reminds me of the 2014 infrareds, because the red on that was more pinkish, very lightly reds. It wasn't that infrareds that I would know so much from the OG infrared 6s that was out in the 90s and the 2001 release. But the 2000, I believe it was 2019 Air Jordan 6s, they had the right coloring. But I'm talking about it too much. Yo, I can't wait to try these on. These are a must, again, for any Jordan sneakerhead and the avid sneaker collector. So roll out footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend you get your true to size fit. As I have mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is a UK size 8. I'm a US size 8.5, which is a UK 7.5. I don't know why I did that, but I saved myself. But these are really big, so my toe is just over here. So you obviously got a lot of space. Might just wear loads of socks then. But yo, these are fly. Look at that color, it's just beautiful. Before I end this video, I know how beautiful these sneakers are. I've mentioned it too many times, but it was so difficult to get on. So, little word of warning, do loosen your laces a hell of a lot, and try and use a spoiler as well. But yeah, let's round it off. These sneakers are dope. Travis, you've done it again, sir. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on the Instagram. Until next time, peace.